My micro lessons topic is about the Shakespeare sonnets, one of the greatest poets in English literature. My lesson objectives, students will be able to analyze the use of literature devices such as metaphor, smile, and imaginary. And students will be able to compare and contrast the themes of literary devices about love and loss in different short stories and articulate their own interpretations of the complex novel character. And materials I used copies of Shakespeare sonnets such as 18th and 113, students' journals, handout for writing prompts, markers, whiteboards, and so on. And warm-up activities, as teacher we must engage students with a short relevant activity related to the topic, a brief free write on a related theme, a short extract from a different work by the same author, and objective discussions. We must explain how these objectives relate to their prior learning and future learning in the English literature curriculum. Pre-write activities, I start with brainstorming, and this brainstorming are divided into two parts: group brainstorming and individual brainstorming. Group brainstorming, we divide students into small groups and have them brainstorm about beauty and morality, the common themes of Shakespearean sonnets. And individual brainstorming, we encourage our students to work independently and brainstorm their own thoughts about the Shakespearean sonnets. And mind map, we guide students in creating mind maps to visually organize their thoughts and ideas about the sonnet. And post-writing activities, we first of all began literary analysis. We facilitate a class discussion on the sonnets, encouraging students to share their interpretations, any engaged and respectful debate. And grammar focus, during the discussion, we can incorporate a small grammar lesson. For example, we can show the pronouns that Shakespeare used in his sonnets, and we can explain the use of the pronouns in the sonnets, point out how pronouns are used to refer at different subjects and how they must agree with these sonnets, and so on. And also we can show some videos about Shakespeare's sonnets. We can explain, we can show some mind maps, some exercises, some tests about the sonnets and Shakespeare's life. We can show also video about Shakespeare's sonnets and also his life. And after that, at the end of the video, we can ask some questions to our students. Also, we can use handouts to the students how they understand this topic. Pre-writing and post-writing activities are also important for students, and we must differentiate these activities because all students have different levels. Some students are good, some students are low level, some of them are advanced, and we must choose the topics, exercises, and other activities. We must think about all of the levels of students in our lesson. And also I want to show some videos from my lesson. In this video, my students explaining the sonnets. They watch the videos about the Shakespeare's life, his novels, his sonnets, and others, and after that, they discuss the main um, facts and his life. Thank you very much.